All right, folks, let's be real. Disney World is magical, and it's also magically expensive. But guess what? I've cracked the code. Today I'm going to tell you how to actually save money on your Disney trip using discounted Disney gift cards. Let's do this. Step 1. Target. Yeah, the same place you go for milk and leave with $200 worth of stuff you didn't need. If you've got a Target Red card, you can save 5% on Disney gift cards. That's right. Swipe that red card in-store or online and bam, instant savings. You got two options, debit or credit. It doesn't matter which one. It's like a little 5% fairy waving a wand over your wallet. And trust me, that 5% adds up faster than your kid's wish list. Next stop, Costco. Not just for buying bulk toilet paper, folks. You can grab Disney gift cards at a discount here, too. You might find $250 worth of magic for about $225. I know. Sounds like a Costco-sized win, right? Don't forget Sam's Club either. They've got those sweet member deals, too. You're saving like 4-6% on gift cards. Just check their website or stroll down the aisles for deals. It's the membership perk you didn't know you needed. Now, what do you do with these? Everything, and I mean everything. Tickets, yes. Hotel stays? Yep. Dining and souvenirs? Absolutely. It's like having Mickey himself handing you extra cash for churros. Let's put this in perspective. Say you're dropping $3,000 on your Disney vacation. What's 5%? That's $150 saved, which in Disney math equals a nice sit-down meal with your family, or, like 4 pretzels. Here's a little pro tip for the extra savvy. Look out for promotions. Stack your savings. Use a cash-back credit card when you buy the gift cards and save even more. Boom. Dad-level budgeting at its finest. So there you go. Discounted Disney gift cards from Target, Costco, and Sam's Club. It's like finding a lighting lane for your wallet. Save some cash, spend it on the fun stuff, and make your trip a little easier on the old budget. Happy planning, and may your Disney days be filled with savings and churros. Like and subscribe, because I've got more tips on how to survive Disney without selling a kidney. See you next time.
Be strong.